Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning back in to the 5th episode of the Madeaux Badeaux show. I need me some theme music. Coming soon. Coming very soon. And this episode is just going to be a natural hair tutorial for all of my 4C ladies like me. Just on how to get my signature pineapple look. I washed my hair, did the rice water, deep conditioned, twisted it, bantu knotted, and this is the final product. And if this is what you're trying to achieve, you're definitely in the right place. I also did a Denman brush versus this type of brush. And if you want to know which brush is better, you're in the right place. Let's get to it, guys. So these are all of the products that you will need to achieve this look. You don't have to screenshot or anything while we're watching right now because I will put in little inserts while I'm using the products. First things first, I'm going to drench my hair in water just so I can make the shampooing process a little bit easier. Next, I'm going to go in with the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo just to do a little co-wash. Then I'm going in with the Curl and Shine SheaMoisture shampoo just to get a really good clean and a good soft finish. Rinse my hair out, and when I go to the back, I'm starting off with the Super Cholesterol Deep Conditioning Cream. This stuff is good for getting those strands of hair really strong and really moisturized. After I get the deep conditioner all through my hair, I go in with the rice water just to spritz it and get all that nutrients that I can get out of it. I ordered this EZ brush because I've seen so many awesome reviews on Instagram and YouTube on it, so I was so excited to try it. But when I did, as you can see, it didn't really comb straight through like a lot of people were saying that it did. I really had to start all the way at the bottom and progressively work my way up. But as I, worked through my hair and combed it through, it got a little bit easier. And all around, I'll say it's an okay brush, but it's not a magic brush like what you see on the gram. Next, I'm going to just go in and twist that section up just so I can get the conditioner working through that twist while I repeat this step throughout my whole entire head. So next, I'm going to go in with my Denman brush. This is a brush that I use all the time because it's so faithful and it always gives me the nice curl that I look for at the ends of my hair. You don't necessarily have to start at the ends. You can start anywhere, and this brush will really help you get through those kinky curls and get you very detangled. So this is just something that I've been using for years and it works for me. So after I finish detangling each section, something that I just like to do, I like to get the rice water and spritz it all over my hair in each section just so I can get all the nutrients that I need. I slap my cap on and I usually keep it in for about 3 hours. We have time, it's quarantine. After I rinse the conditioner out, I like to get my wide tooth comb and just go through and spritz some water and castor oil on my hair. That's what I have in my little water bottle here. I took the rice water out, and this is just the LO. I'm doing a lock method on my hair with water and oil. I'm getting the olive oil, just dabbing that a little bit in there just to get a little shine and just a little bit more moisture in my hair, because being that it's 4C, it has to definitely stay moisturized at all times. I like to section a part off. I'm doing smaller twists. First, I'm going in with the Eco Styler Gel because I just recently started using this, and it's really been kind of giving my hair a little bit of curl definition that I wasn't getting before. Next, I'm going in with the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm rubbing that cream into my hair and really getting that moisture locked in. I'm just taking this easy detangling brush and just combing it through my hair. It was actually much easier after I rinsed the conditioner out. But after I use that, I go with the size of my preference. This is a little bit bigger than a pencil, but I just go in and twist my hair. 2-strand twisted, baby. Here I'm just giving you a little bit of a zoomed in-depth video of exactly what I'm doing. So after I successfully 2-strand twist my whole entire head, I'll probably wear this hairstyle for 2 days just so I can make sure my hair is absolutely dry for when I take this twist out, because if it's not dry, it's not gonna come out right. 2 days later, I did put Bantu knots in my hair just to get another curl. And I'm going in with my olive oil. Do not, and I repeat, do not go in your hair without having oil in your hands first. That just will mess up the twist out, make everything just fall apart, all the work that you've done. It will definitely screw up your twist out. So put oil on your hands and work those Bantu knots out. So this is the final results that I got with this bomb twist out, bomb Bantu knot. You can definitely see the curls, the moisture in my hair. How are we looking? Bomb? Bomb? Yes, love it. So my final step is the baby hair. I gotta do the baby hair. So one of my favorite hairstyles I like to do is my pineapple. I like to get a big scrunchie and put it around my neck and just push my hair up. Something that's very key to this style is teasing the middle of your hair, getting into those roots and really teasing it and pulling it just so it could stretch out and just be a nice puff. So this is my final look, my favorite hairstyle, something that's so easy, so fun, so cute. You can definitely see how moisturized my hair is, so that definitely lets you know that this was a bomb and efficient tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.